on, all you queens, kings, and everyone in between? Welcome. On today's video, we're going to talk about the best kitchen degreaser products. Yes, and they're eco-friendly. Isn't that wonderful? So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Amber. On this channel, we talk a lot about eco-friendly products, tips, how-tos, and reviews to help you save time and money. So consider subscribing. With that being said, we're going to dive right into the most important question. Why does your kitchen cabinet get so dirty and greasy after you're done cleaning them? Well, I got the answer to your question. And that is because of the built up cooking grease, the dirt, and most importantly, no one will tell you this, but it could possibly be the cleaning solution or compound that you're using that leaves that extra grease behind. Who would have known that? You're thinking you're doing the best of the best, and your cleaning solution could be building up all that grease and residue anyways. So I'm going to share with you how to get rid of that grease and grime on your wood cabinets using a few recommended products to get the job done. And we're going to start with Murphy oil soap. I would recommend this Murphy oil soap hands down in the spray bottle to get the job done. All you need is a little bit of elbow grease or a tool that, don't butcher me, I forgot to bring on to share with you, and is using a brush drill set that'll help you get the cabinets clean in no time. Now this is great if you have if you clean houses for your side business, side hustle, or you have your own house cleaning business. Who would have known that you could have saved so much time and money using this Murphy oil soap? My second runner-up would be Crud Cutter. I love Crud Cutter for so many reasons. Not just because Murphy oil is eco-friendly, is biodegradable, and different things like that. So is Crud Cutter. There's no bleach, there's no fragrance. It's good to go. And the thing that I like is it's a multi-purpose use. So you can use it on your countertops, your stove tops, your walls, floors, blah, 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 blah. But we're talking about cabinets. So I recommend the Murphy oil soap for those wood cabinets, hands down. And the other types of cabinets, I can't think of materials off the top of my head right now. I would even go with the Crud Cutter. Either way, both of them is going to help you get rid of that icky, gicky cabinets, those grease on those cabinets, for all the reasons why this will help eliminate it. Now, I'm going to share another product I haven't personally used, but I've heard good things about it, and it's a mouthful. So I wrote it down, and it's called the Best All Natural Solution, the Green Gobbler Cold Pressed Orange Oil Concentrate. Mouthful, right? Well, I've heard good things about them, and I wanted to share the other counterpart. These are all store-bought items you can do or you can purchase. Now, if you're an avid DIYer such as myself, I have other videos where I've made hand soap, hand sanitizer, and you can check out those videos in different playlists. But I wrote this down, and the main component is using baking soda. Using baking soda with this DIY method is going to help create a cleaning solution with 1 part baking soda, 2 parts warm water, and the lemon juice. The lemon juice is going to be the acid component you need to get rid of that grease in the first place. And so you're going to add the solution to a spray bottle, and you're going to spray it onto the kitchen cabinets, leave and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Then go back and scrub with either the drill bit set that I'm talking about, and or you can use this blue Scotch Brite sponge that I would recommend on any surface you will ever use in your home. And the reason why is it's non-abrasive. So I hope that you got a lot of value out of this video. And if you did, go ahead and like and share this video with someone else who can get value with helping to get rid of that grease, debris, and even the possibility of using the wrong cleaning solution to getting rid of that icky, gicky dirt and grime on your kitchen cabinets. So I hope that you will stay tuned, check out the next video, and in the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.